Everyone is using MagSafe wallet or backpack these days. But when you are behind the wheel, you often have to remove your MagSafe accessories to mount your phone in the car. Taking them off is easy, but it increases the chances you'll leave them behind. Let's fix that. So these are my recently designed phone mount. So this one works with the MagSafe wallet. So basically just slide it in, portrait mode, horizontal mode, allows you to mount your phone without taking your MagSafe wallet off. And how about this one? I'm using the Apple MagSafe charger. So why do I need both of these here? The reason for that is when you charge it for a certain amount of time, your phone tends to become very hot. In that case, so you need to probably switch between these two mounts to make a balance between get charged and overheating. Yeah, that's why I keep both of them. Thank you for watching. See you next time.